Hello, my name is Anthony Vidana. I was an engineer on the Apollo back in the day. This video is about Building 6, the testing area for the guidance and navigation computer. It was located in the first floor of Building 6, and there's a right-hand side there. There's the actual computer there with a disk key that controls it. That's the computer without the memory in it. They use a wire disk memory that was put in there. And there's a diagram that shows the internals of the electronics. This is what we use to test that computer. We had this console that we would stick the computer into and run the test in that manner. There was it would take about a shift to run the computer. It had a different disky keyboard than was used on the Apollo, but they both did the job and it worked. And here's a picture of the disk key that was used on the computer on the Apollo, and this shows the controls of the spacecraft and the inertial guidance system that was input, and the sextant that was also used for guidance. There's another diagram of it. The inertial navigation system consisted of three gyros that they used in there, and apparently they needed to run it. The test was telemetry and RF and the whole system to get the inertial navigation to simulate it. They were using 3 gyros instead of 4 that's normally used on aircraft and guided missiles. And some of these Apollos had trouble with them. So for the gyros that didn't work well, they used the sextant instead, and it worked fine. It got them to the moon and back to the Earth. Okay, so I'm coming to the end of my video, and thank you for watching my video, and goodbye.